Hey, how you doing? How you feeling? My name is Lady, and welcome to Ladies Math Class. Math standing for marketing and finances. And today I want to share with you in my income stream number one. Okay, a lot of people we do a lot of things on social media, online, and we don't share the opportunity. Okay, so today this is me sharing my opportunity with you. Income stream number one. Okay. First, meet Lady. That's me. Hey, I am the mother of Messiah. I am a solopreneur, a retired medical worker, an online network marketer for the last 3 years. Okay. Today's topic, my income stream number one, is MWR. So I don't know if you heard of it, but MWR stands for Make Wealth Real. This is a done for you system. A lot of times we don't have the adequate amount of time to do things that we pay other people for, right? So this is one of those things. If you are looking for a system to help you with your finances and get those on the right track, this is for you. Okay. I am a mother. I am a single mother. And we have time, but we just don't, Can I get an amen? Because I know you feel me, right? So this system helps you lower your taxes. If you look at that check that you get every single week, 2 weeks, every month, however you get paid, you will notice that you are being taxed on top of tax on top of tax. Okay. They underpay you, overtax you, and then they tax you to cash the tax check, right? So what this system does will help you lower your taxes, give you an instant pay raise, qualify you as the business owner that you are. Okay. It helps you increase your credit score. A lot of times people get stuck with their credit on what they should do to how to build their credit. How should they add positive credit? How do they get rid of the negative credit? This system will show you exactly that. It has every single step for you to do exactly what you need to do to raise your credit score and keep it where you want it, okay? It also helps you get out of debt in record time. What I mean by that is they help you get so far out of debt quicker than any other company that I have seen myself. It actually spits out a millionaire date. I don't know who else wants to be a millionaire, but I do. So it helps you retire early and become your own bank. A lot of times you see people retire early, you see people retire and then they have to come out of retirement as soon as they get in it because they did not have enough money saved. Okay. So don't let that be you. Don't get older and feel like you should be getting wiser and you're not. You didn't save enough money to go on that vacation, to buy the house in the suburbs maybe, or even in a warmer climate state. You want to be able to do things that you need to do. So don't short yourself. Do not work for the rest of your life. Don't come out of retirement to work as a Walmart greeter or flipping burgers. There's nothing wrong with either one, but there is something wrong when you are a grandparent and you need to be sitting down enjoying the rest of your life because you already did your part, right? So the bonus, a big bonus if you decide to partner with Lady, okay? We have Facebook groups that's already done for you. Everything is lined up. We have a system, a proven system that will help you scale, grow, establish, expand your business, okay? You want to make sure that you are adding people to this group and the group does everything for you. It has testimonies of real people using this system across the country, all shapes, sizes, colors, ages, it doesn't matter. This system works. If you want it to work for you, all you got to do is join, okay? You'll have access to an organic Facebook tool. If you do not know what that means that this tool will help you pull out the people who need what you have, who are interested in restoring their finances and making sure that they retire well off than their grandparents, than their parents, and make sure that their offspring is well taken care of so they don't have to work a job if they don't want to, okay? You also get a free trial and an all-in-one marketing tool. If you've ever worked online, if you have your own business, even if you don't, you make sure that you have a marketing tool. You do not want to get stuck with just trying to do all the marketing yourself. That is where we go wrong. We are constantly trying to have people added to our circle to help us with everything else. But when it comes to marketing or finances, for some reason, we think that we can do it all, and you can't. You need a tool that can help you monetize your business, okay? So another thing you'll get is a high converting solo traffic. Now, if you don't know what that is, even though you have organic traffic and you have family and friends and close people on your Facebook page that need what you have, you also have people that don't know anything about you who needs what you have. So that is what solo traffic is. You need that. Trust me, you need that, okay? You get a one-on-one coaching call with myself as many times you need to. You can talk to me any time of the day or night. More likely, I am up, okay? And last but not least, hundreds of lead magnets, because no matter what business that you offer, you need something to pull out those who need what you have. They're out there. You just don't know how to get them. And I'm going to show you the way, my friend. Okay? So let's connect. Don't forget to connect. Connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and right here on YouTube. Ask your questions and don't forget to grab your links in the description, okay? So don't forget to like, share, comment to your entrepreneur friends who want to win, who want to retire early, who wants to win. So I appreciate you. And that is my income stream number one. If you loved it, then you might as well share it, okay? So I'm out. Enjoy your day.